this video I'm going to show you how to do individual component test mode. So you're going to test each component individually, and if you want to enter component test mode, you'll want to hold the program up, the program down, and the edit button for 3 seconds. While the unit's showing us preheater clean, the unit must be showing us preheater clean. And then you'll see drive motor off on the screen. Right, you use the arrows to scroll, convection fan, circulation pump. We'll start with the drive motor. Every time you press enter, the component will activate for 30 seconds and automatically shut off. If you want to do manually stop the component from running, you would press the stop button. So let's do this one here. This one's the easiest one. Drive motor, hit enter, it'll go on. You'll see your rotisserie turns. In test mode, you'll see that first LED right here light up. You should see a light on your solid state relay light up. You'll see your rotisserie socket, the large sprocket here turning, and of course your motor is activated. You could take any amperage checks that you would want to take at your red wire right here. And then it automatically shut off for 30 seconds. Let me just show you. If we pressed enter again and you saw something you didn't like, you just simply press the stop button and it'll turn off. Next would be the convection fans. Same thing. You would press enter. The 2 convection fans are located on the other side of this heat shield plate, but you could also open the door. You could only open the door if it's in cook. And let me see if you guys can see that. You'll see the blades turning left and right, or you could simply just put your hand there and feel the air should be pointed at the center shaft. Close that. We'll let it continue. If you have your door open and you press enter, convection fans will say on and they will turn on. Okay, good. So that's for the convection fan. The water control components I'm going to do all at once separately. So let me see what else we got here. Ignition. Now, ignition, you'll press on, red light will come on. You'll notice no flame is going to appear here. So it's just simply giving power to the module. You won't get power to the igniter or the gas valve in test mode. If you wanted to test something with your flame, igniter, or gas valve, you have to do it by pressing preheat. That way you could test your igniter and gas valve. In the testing mode, it won't give us a flame. Buzzer is simply the end of cook. Make sure your buzzer's on. Oven lights. Your oven lights are on the same line as your axial fans. Top left here pointing at the convection fans, right, and your secondary air fan as well. You could check right here. You'll see a baffle opening where you could check if the air is coming in. So all that's on the same line. So you'll see here, we'll press enter. The oven lights come on. Your axial fan here is turning. Your axial fan here is turning. And if we wanted to know our secondary air fan is working, you should feel air pressure coming out of this baffle right here. There's one on the right side. There's one on the left side. Okay, all 3 of the axial fans are working along with the oven lights. Just press stop. Alarm light. Make sure your amber light's working. And these are your inputs. So door switch closed. You're just checking to make sure your inputs are reacting the way you want them to. Drain valve open. We'll point the handle. Drain valve closed. We know all our drain sensors are working correctly. If you wanted to exit the test mode, you would press the edit button to get back to preheater clean.